The human body, an overview of its major organs and systems. The human body is a complex and fascinating system made up of various organs and systems that work together to sustain life. Here's a brief overview of the key components. 1. Brain and nervous system. The brain is the control center of the body, responsible for processing information and controlling activities. The nervous system, including the spinal cord and nerves, transmits signals between the brain and the rest of the body. 2. Heart and circulatory system. The heart pumps blood throughout the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to cells and removing waste products. The circulatory system includes the heart, blood, and blood vessels. 3. Lungs and respiratory system. The lungs are responsible for gas exchange, allowing oxygen to enter the blood and carbon dioxide to be expelled. The respiratory system includes the nose, throat, trachea, and lungs. 4. Digestive system. The digestive system breaks down food into nutrients that the body can use. It includes the mouth, esophagus, stomach, intestines, liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. 5. Liver. The liver detoxifies harmful substances, produces bile for digestion, and stores nutrients. It plays a crucial role in metabolism and overall health. 6. Kidneys and urinary system. The kidneys filter waste from the blood and produce urine. The urinary system, including the bladder and urethra, helps maintain fluid balance and remove toxins. 7. Skin. The skin is the body's largest organ, protecting against environmental hazards, regulating temperature, and enabling sensory perception. 8. Muscular and skeletal systems. The muscular system enables movement, maintains posture, and generates heat. The skeletal system provides structural support, protects organs, and works with muscles to facilitate movement. 9. Endocrine system. The endocrine system consists of glands that produce hormones, regulating various bodily functions like metabolism, growth, and mood. 10. Immune system. The immune system defends against infections and diseases. It includes white blood cells, antibodies, and the lymphatic system. Understanding these organs and systems highlights the complexity and efficiency of the human body, emphasizing the importance of maintaining health through proper care and lifestyle choices.